Mr. Brian is a factory manager who is taking care of this garment factory. Currently, he is facing many troubles and the factory does not perform well. One of his struggles is data collection. It takes away a lot of time and expenses. 40% of working time and over $20,000 in 1 year is required for it. Especially time study by IE and production management by the line leader. A lot of data is required. It is because the way of data collection has not changed since long ago. The data is collected manually, and the work is not efficient. But now, Mr. Brian has a new choice. Change the situation Reliable data can be obtained without any human intervention or decreasing productivity. Also, saves time for data collection by around 90%. It is no longer necessary to manage hourly production progress with a whiteboard. A manager can check production progress or any other data in real time from anywhere, anytime. Of course, even outside the factory. Moreover, past data is available. Error history helps solve fundamental problems and reduce maintenance costs. Furthermore, the data can be customized in each factory according to its usage. For example, you can export the data in any format so that you can digitalize the work process, such as reporting and reducing workload. Also, it supports a person in the technical department to easily perform complex IE tasks, such as time study. After introducing Mr. Brian's workers started working more efficiently than before, and by utilizing time, he can focus on productivity improvement. It gives him great success in increasing productivity. Urges you to install IoT for its superior features, such as low cost, high operability, flexibility, and security. We guarantee that you will be impressed by the improvement in productivity that is different from existing production management systems. Get less work and more profit. Let's start IoT